Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update. Today is June 3rd, and I'm one day behind. I usually try to do on Tuesdays, I do my rate comparison, so the rate update, and to let you know where you should go for the best rate in the country. So let's get on to it. Today we're going to break down somebody buying a house. They're buying their first home, and the breakdown of it is a $350,000 purchase with 5% down, and that's $17,500 on a 30-year fixed. They're not a veteran, and I put in a 740 credit score or higher. Why I did, usually with a first-time home buyer, most of the time you can qualify for 3% down, but when I did all these analyses, if that's a word, it basically came down and nobody had a rate for it. So just so you guys know, I have the ability to get you into a house, especially if it's your first home, at 3% down, so a 3% down payment. But again, I did it at 5% because that's what everybody's rates were showing. Nobody was actually showing a rate at 3% down. So let's get at it. So the first thing I went to is a company called Guaranteed Rate. And the breakdown is as the side. I already went through their funnel. Basically, you go to the website and you click through and click, and you put in all the details. So to break it down, and I want to be clear on this is the breakdown on every one of these scenarios. I'm using a $350,000 purchase with 5% down or $17,500. I put in the zip code. That really doesn't matter with our rates. And you're going to live in the home. It's a single family home. Most important thing, I don't know, 740 score and higher. And you own the house for at least 5 to 10 years. Don't know why that asks you that, but it does. And then I did click first time home buyer. And I click it, and here's the results that I get. So let's look at these. So we're going to break it down. And this one actually gives you an FHA rate and a conventional rate. So let's write these things down. So on a conventional, that's what we were looking at in this scenario, but it did pop up the FHA rate. We got 3.625 and 3.25 on the FHA. So that's where we're at right now. So write those down, and I'm going to keep track of them on my end. I'm going to then go to bankrate.com. This is where a lot of people go. So I plug this in, but I got to refresh, so I got to redo it. So I got a purchase, put in the zip code, doesn't matter. $350,000 purchase, $17,500 down or 5%, it's the same thing. 740 score and above, and a 30-year term. So I am a first-time home buyer. And let's see where I click. Request update. I don't want, we'll have lenders to show you soon. Don't know why that is. Let's see if we can get an FHA rate. No. How about a VA rate? No. How about let's just click them all and see where we go. These are rates just published. Oh, let's go down through here. Let's get rid of this and this. Let's see if these give us rates. No, this is purchase and refinance. These aren't to that scenario. So let's go down and say FHA because we got it on the other side. Let's go down, and we do have FHA rates. Cool. We have this place here, never heard of it. They are 3.25 on the FHA. Let's write that down. Any fees or costs? Where's that breakdown? I think here it is right here, 1,085. So we got 1,085 in, I guess, points. Yep, points right there. Okay, awesome there. Then I found this place a while back, and it's called NerdWallet. And I plug in the details, 350, that 5% down, and click. And what I get here is this place, never heard of any of these. But what we're starting to see is other companies starting to come back up. So look at the differences in the rates. And remember what I was telling you in the past. I said, a lot of these, and I won't mention names, but they might be having some issues because of servicing issues with all the stuff going on. And they're coming back, but they're coming back with rates that basically they're probably not going to get any business. And if they do, it was basically because of their great marketing. So why would you pay 4.23%? when you could pay 3.46%. Or, hold on, let's see where I'm at. So let's go through this. I plugged in the details already. We have a $332,500 loan, which is a $350,000 purchase with 5% down. So we're financing 95%. 740 credit score as we compared on the other ones. And I go down through and I put in the zip codes and all the other stuff. Let's go through. What I didn't do is let's click FHA because FHA did pop up on the other side, and let's see what we got. We scan through, and this is my search engine to give me what my rate is right now at this minute. And today is June 3rd, 2020 at 2:05 Central Standard Time. So let's go through. The first thing we're going to do is we want to look at the not FHA. We're going to look at a conventional loan, 30-year fixed, and we're going to click that. And there are variations of this. We have a home ready and home possible. Those do have income limitations. So let's say you don't fit there, because you can see that rate is 3.375, and the lowest we had out there is 3.467. I think was right here. Yes. So let's not go that route. Let's take my worst case scenario, and I am where? Let's see. It'll pop up in 1 second. And at I'm at 3.375% right here, and you're actually getting a $266 rebate, a $266 back. Best rate in town was here with, that's the payment. We'll say let's just waive this. Let's say there is no fees, no points or anything. So they're at 3.467 all the way down to Quicken at 4.25, and I currently am at 3.375. I blow them out of the water, and you're getting actually a rebate back. Let's go to guaranteed rate, 3.625. I am 0.4 lower in rate, so I beat them, and over here, all they have at bankrate.com is FHA. Okay. That being said, let's go look at where we are with FHA. Did it price out? Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Did I click the FHA? Let's go back and just make sure I did. Oh, FHA requires 3.5% down, which should be okay. Let's get rid of this conventional, and let's just see where this brings us. I did something wrong, I think, but let's see what I did wrong. Why can't I get a Ginnie Mae rate? Loan exceeds the county limits. Oh boy. So let's go back to where I was, and I am going to go, I don't know how those worked and mine didn't. Let's just make a little modification. Let's say it's 325,000 and 325,000 with 5% down would be a 308,750, 308,750. All this should work out the same, because if it is, it's just probably a glitch that I'm having right now in my system. So let's see what that rate comes back at. FHA is known as Ginnie Mae. So let's click that. And right now I am at 3.25, and you're getting actually $568 back as a rebate check. What was the best out there? I didn't actually do this on this one, so let's scan over to this. 3.25, and it is costing you $1,000 in points. So I have basically the same rate here, but you're paying $1,000 there, and I am actually giving you $500 back. So a swing of $1,500 difference in closing costs. And guaranteed rate is 3.25, and the same thing. So I have the same rate as guaranteed rate. Hopefully you like my education, my knowledge, my persistence, and I will guide you personally through this transaction step by step. We beat everybody listed here. We beat everybody on NerdWallet, and there is where I am today. So I try to do this every Tuesday. I apologize that I missed it today. With everything going on in the world and everything, the turmoil of everything, I'm trying my best. So, on another bad note, my wife just called and my shower flooded, and I have water in my kitchen. So I got to run. I greatly appreciate you guys watching this, and if you would, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Click down below, leave comments. I'm replying to all the comments today before I get out of here and start mopping. So God bless. I'd love to help you. All my information is down below. Check out my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.